5 Best Hedge Trimmer. Here is the product number 5. Rechargeable Hedge Trimmer. Power source, electric hedge trimmers. Scissor type, dual. Charging time, 4 hours. Aluminum telescopic handle 580 to 900 mm, blade material, 65 Mn, black oxide. Battery, 1300 mAh, lithium, rotating cutting head for edging. This machine with one charger, 2 black blades, detachable wheels and shaft. Here is the product number 4. Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Brand name, FGHGF. Length of blade, 46 cm. Scissor type, dual. Model number, ET1102. Power source, electric hedge trimmers. Here is the product number 3. Hedge Trimmer Spare Parts. Power source, gasoline hedge trimmers. Length of blade, 0.75 mm. Model number, 32 air filter. Scissor type, single. Here is the product number 2. Carburetor for Chinese hedge trimmers. New high-quality carburetor for all Chinese 32cc, 34cc, 36cc hedge trimmers, brush cutters. Walbro style carburetor, the copy of Zenoit trimmer. Size, inlet bore is 10 mm. It will fit stand-up board type petrol scooters, petrol skateboards, petrol buggies, petrol go-karts, some mini-motos, handheld 2-stroke garden machinery. Here is the product number 1. Grass cutter with Honda engine. 4-stroke brush cutter is brand new gas 35cc 2-in-1 brush cutter and line trimmer. It include brush cutter metal blade 3-tooth and line trimmer spool. Brand name, Think. Power source, gasoline hedge trimmers. Model number, GX35. Length of blade, none. Attachment 2, nylon head. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.